Good news, a new feature has just been added to Bittoken app, and this update gives you a chance to earn up to a millions of RP points. So if you haven't updated your app, you now see this feature on your app. So you need to update your app. After you update your app and you open it, you see a prompt message like this. You can see we have 1000 for the first day. So this is a check-in feature. So you can see the day 2 you get 10,000, day 3 30,000, day 4 50,000, day 5 100,000, day 6 50,000, day 7 and 759,000. You can see complete as watching tasks to enable your daily login rewards. You have 19 hours remaining to watch before claiming 1000 RP. Go to NPA to watch us now, right? So after you watch that idea he was talking about, then you come to collect this for the first check-in. This is the 1000, right? So guys, how do we watch the ad so that we can able to claim our first check-in? So once you close it and you come to the end section here, so come to the end section, you can see this is the ads they are talking about. And this ads also, if you watch this ads, right, if you watch this ads, you earn 1000 per. And after you watch all those, it's 20 ads, but I have watched one ads, right? So that's why you see 19 left. So after you watch all the 20 ads, you get around 50,000, right? You may able to go and claim that as, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn to 1 million RP. So if you watch this as, then you come back to the mine section, and then you come to the streak, then you come to collect this as. But the next thing also to earn more RP as is to by locating on the team section here. So if you come to the team section here, you come to direct referral bonus. Once you tap on it, you can see I have claimed all those points I have there, those rewards. And if you come back also, you can also come to the direct referral extra bonus. You can see I've also claimed them, right? You come back also, you can see referral rebate commission. I have also claimed them. I have another one to claim. So tap on, you can see I've also claimed those ones, right? So it's very important to come all those all this page. And we have referral leaderboard. So this referral leaderboard, this is for those I have a huge amount of referrals, right? Those have high referrals, guys. So that's how all those it is. So come back also, you can see this is the mining statistics, right? We have Nigeria, we have Ghana. So these are the top countries and the statistics. So guys, for doing all those things, you can earn up to a millions of RP. Then you withdraw it. Let me claim mine. So let me confirm the ads. So after I watch the ads, let me claim it, right? You can see my balance have been added. If you come to the booster section here also, you can also watch an ad to increase your mining interval, right? So if you come back and you look at here, you can see I have 1 hour 59 minutes and some seconds. So after what those ads, 11 hours will added to this, then it multiply to be 12 hours before the mining season ends, before I come back to claim it, right? So Bittoken withdrawal is very simple, right? This withdrawal is very simple. 16th of every month, this RP points converts. Let me show it. This RP points converts to this Bittoken. This is the native token. If you're new, that's how it works, right? So every 16th of every month it converts. Then we can sell it by typing on the P2P section here, then start P2P trading. If you're new, I have a video about step-by-step guide how to start on this project. I'll drop that link on the description or comment section of this video. So if you're new and if you join it also, guys, if you want to do your KYC, send me a DM on the description section of this video. I'll guide you step by step how to do your KYC, right? So the reason why I'm saying that, before you can do your own KYC, because you tap on deposit here, you can see here you need to pay. But any deposit below 10 USDT will be lost, right? So maybe you don't have 10 USDT, so just pay some amount of USDT to do your KYC. So you need to DM me for that without deposit $10 on this platform. So we have a cheap price for you to do your KYC, guys. So DM me on the description of this video, guys. So here also, come to the end section. Here also we have some ads here. You want to watch some more tags here, right? You have more tags here to watch. So to complete this tag, I want to tap on it. It requires you to watch a video. Tap on start. It will direct to YouTube. Then you see you can see a code here. Web3 is the code, right? So you enter this. Then if we go back to the Bittoken, you can see we enter the code here, which is the Web3. So you guys can see Web3. After that, you tap on, you can see mark as complete, right? So if we come back and we look at this, so that's how we complete all of the tags here, right? So let me complete this tag and show you how to claim the checking. So after you complete the tag, then you tap on the tags as reward. So here you can see this is my reward. This is the 5,000 RP points I have. So after that, you can tap. So here you can tap load more rows, right? You can see that more rows also here. So after you order as, then you claim them one by one. You can also tap on the claim first 50. After you tap the claim 50, all the points or all the reward will be claimed for you automatically. You can see claiming all, right? You can see I've earned over 80,000, right? It have added it to my balance, right? So if we go back to the mining section here, you can see number have been added, right? Have been increased. If we go to the streak section here, it's loading. So now you can see the first check-in with the 1,000 is now active to claim. So let's tap on collect. You can see claiming. You can see right check-in RP claim successful, right? So now we are on 10,000 D2. That's how we check in for this new feature on the Bittoken app. So guys, this is your first time coming across to my channel, can you subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first person you see it. I have a WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. You can also join us for more instant updates. Any update about Bittoken, you will get it there. See you guys in the next video.